Right here I have the perfect carry-on suitcase that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this Level 8 Voyageur luggage. There's so many amazing features on this piece of luggage that I want to go over in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. First up, we are going to have a super wide handle, and this is going to be a lot different from other suitcases that you're going to see. Normally it's going to be half the size of this handle. This grab handle is going to be the entire width of this suitcase, which is going to be a lot better if you find yourself pushing your suitcase on a sidewalk, or maybe you're in a city trying to get to your hotel and this goes over a crack. It's going to be a lot less likely for this to actually catch a crack and tip over. And you also have multiple different ways to actually hold this on the handle. You can actually hold it from this side and just pull it, or if your belongings are a little bit heavier, you can actually take it from the back and push it, making it a lot easier. It gives you a lot more options. You have a bunch of different adjustment of height here for the handle, which is going to make this super practical. And we also get these amazing 360-degree gliding wheels that are so smooth and have a rubber surface. Now this is going to be a hard shell texture surface, and as you can see, the colors are what really caught my eye. We have half black and half super bright yellow. It just stands out and looks amazing. We also get nice yellow logos on the wheels, and they're shock absorbing as well. We even get a grab handle on the top here, which makes it very easy to put in a stowaway carry-on the plane, right in the above head storage on both sides, and those feel very nice. It's almost like a rubberized texture on here. Feels very good on the skin. This is going to be an aluminum support as well that's very sturdy and well built, and it has just a tiny bit of wiggle room. So if you find yourself walking outside commuting with your luggage, you're going to have a way more sturdier handle, and honestly, in my opinion, it looks pretty good and just stands out from other luggage because you don't normally see that. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. I want to show you guys the texture on here. You can kind of see where my thumb is at. This is textured. It's very nice looking, and this is a super bright yellow. It's kind of hard to do it justice on camera. Now you're going to have this TSA lock here, so you can just open that up, and we're going to have very high quality zippers. I'll open this in just a minute. We get a little bit of the recess here on the bottom, so it's not going to damage your suitcase whenever this thing is laying down on side or actually on this side. And as you take a look at these wheels, guys, we have these rubberized wheels that just look so nice. So as this spins around effortlessly, it's a very high quality piece. Now let's go ahead and open this thing up. Very smooth gliding zippers. And as I set that down, so on the left side, we're gonna have a nice smooth gliding zipper. It's gonna have a mesh. This is gonna be a separate compartment. This has such a smooth fabric as well, so you know that all your stuff is gonna be maintained and kept safe. And then on this side, we're gonna have the toiletry side. So this is gonna be a waterproof setup. Has a frost look on it, so what you put in here, you'll be able to see, but this is sealed all the way through. We have a mesh compartment right here as well. Shows you how to set the lock on the TSA approved lock. This is a see-through mesh, and then we get one more zipper that is another privacy compartment on this back side. And this fabric is so soft. It's almost like a silky material. You know it's going to protect your belongings really well. And then in the fabric, it's a nice touch. You get more of the company's logo. At the end of the day, this is such a practical option if you're looking for a nice TSA approved carry-on luggage. It looks amazing. It's definitely high quality, and it's going to stand out from the rest. And honestly, I love that it just looks so good and durable. The wheels glide smooth, and it's going to be really nice to have this ultra wide grab handle as well. This is definitely going to be a great practical option that's going to last a long time. I highly recommend this. You can check out the 28-inch size. This is the 20-inch. This right here is the Level 8 Voyageur suitcase. Thanks for watching. Add this to your Amazon cart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.